Ayushi Patel from 8th GB, and today I am going to do a small experiment in which I am going to make litmus paper out of turmeric powder. So let's begin with. For making litmus paper we need turmeric powder and water paste. So I have already made that before. Now strips, and I am going to dip this paper strips inside the turmeric paste. So now we'll allow it to dry for 5 to 10 minutes. So now my litmus paper is completely dry. Now we'll test this out using basic substance and acidic substance. For acidic substance I have taken lemon juice, and for basic substance I am having soap solution. So now we'll dip this litmus paper into basic solution and it will be turned pink. And I will be dipping another litmus paper in this lemon juice and it will be turned yellow. Now I will take this pink strip and will dip this in. When we will dip this in lemon juice, it will be turned yellow again. So this was our experiment. Thank you so much for watching this video.